Hello friends, I am Akshay. In the today's video, we are going to create hanging slide animation with the help of circle as well as some rectangle shapes. So this animation we can use for the teaching purpose or to explain any project slides. We can use this animation where our slides are hanging like structure where each and every slides infographic slides are coming one by one and we can explain some particular topic inside that. So let's jump to the computer screen. So where Sarika will guide you the step-by-step process of creating the hanging slide animation.
First, change the background color. Go to Insert tab, Shapes, select Line. Go to View tab, click on Guides. Change line color, increase width size. Select Round from Cap type. Select Round from Joint type. 3D format. Select Circle from top bevel and bottom bevel. Select Metal from Material. Go to Insert, Shapes, select Donut. Hold the yellow point, pull left side. Shape outline, no outline. Select color. Go to Effect. Select circle from top bevel. Select metal from material. Go to Insert, Shapes. Select rectangle. Put on this. Select both and select Subtract from Merge Shape. Right click, go to Format Shape. "3D rotation", increase X rotation size. Insert, select line. Select color. Insert, shapes. Select teardrop. Size 4 cm and 4 cm. Rotate. Align center. Insert, shapes. Select circle. Size 0.5 cm and 0.5 cm. Remove the outline. Place here. Duplicate. Place. Size 0.7 cm and 0.7 cm. Select both and select Subtract from Merge Shape. Duplicate. Place here. Again duplicate. Insert, shapes. Select triangle. Rotate. Select flip vertical. Change the size. Put on this. Select both. Select union. Insert, shapes. Select rounded rectangle. Size 6 cm and 5 cm. Select align center. Insert, shapes. Select rectangle. Select both and select fragment. From Merge Shape, delete, remove the outline, insert, select text box, I am taking symbols for example. Increase size, right click, edit text, select color, increase size, bold, write description here, select, decrease size, select both, change the color, remove the outline, select all, deselect, then group, duplicate, change the color, change symbols, duplicate, and follow the same process. Select all group, distribute horizontally, insert, select text, choose color, write main project here, increase size, bold, and align center. Select text box, go to animation tab, select fly in, click on effect option, select from top, go to animation pane, timing, start with previous, duration 2 second medium, go to effect, smooth start 1.5 second and bounce end 1.5 second, then OK. select text box, click animation painter and click on this group. Effect option, select from left and select after previous. Click animation painter, click on second group and follow same process. Now let's start the animation.